Everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add zoom lens effect on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, open your CapCut apps and add the photo or the video that you want to edit. And after this, if you wanna add a zoom lens effect, so you just click on the effect at the bottom. And after this, you can click on the video effect. And then at the menu, you can click on the basic. And then at the basic, you can swipe down until you can see zoom lens effect. This one. So you just click on it. And after this, in here, you just click on the check icon at the top. And now you can adjust the effect. So you can click on the adjust at the bottom. You can adjust for the speed, and then for the range. And after this, you can click check icon at the bottom and finish. So that's how to add a zoom lens effect on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.